Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you love quick and easy meals that are packed with flavor, then you're going to love today's video. I'm sharing 15-minute stir-fry recipes that are perfect for busy nights or when you're just craving something delicious. These stir-fries are quick, healthy, and absolutely packed with flavor. So let's get started. First up, we have the classic chicken stir-fry. Grab some chicken breast, slice it into thin strips, and season with salt, pepper, and a little soy sauce. In a hot pan, stir-fry the chicken with some bell peppers, onions, and broccoli. Add in a tablespoon of soy sauce and a splash of sesame oil for flavor. Toss everything together for 5 to 7 minutes, and you've got a simple, healthy stir-fry ready to serve. Next, we have beef and broccoli stir-fry. Start by marinating your beef strips in soy sauce, garlic, and a little cornstarch for that velvety texture. Stir-fry the beef in a hot pan for a few minutes, then add in some broccoli and a dash of oyster sauce. This combination of savory beef and crunchy broccoli is a classic, and it only takes about 15 minutes. Craving seafood? Try this shrimp and vegetable stir-fry. Start by sautéing shrimp with garlic and ginger in a hot pan. Once the shrimp are cooked through, add in some mixed veggies like snap peas, carrots, and bell peppers. Pour in a little soy sauce and rice vinegar for that perfect balance of sweet and savory. Stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes and you're all set. Let's not forget the vegetarians. This tofu and mushroom stir-fry is a game changer. Start by pressing the tofu to remove excess moisture and then cut it into cubes. Stir-fry the tofu in a hot pan with a little oil until golden brown. Add in some sliced mushrooms, bok choy, and carrots. Finish it off with soy sauce, a little garlic, and a dash of chili sauce for some heat. It's savory, healthy, and super satisfying. Now, if you're in the mood for something tangy, you have to try this sweet and sour pork stir-fry. Start by cooking pork strips in a hot pan until browned, then add in pineapple chunks, bell peppers, and onions. Mix up a quick sauce with ketchup, vinegar, sugar, and soy sauce and pour it over the pork. Stir everything together until it's sticky and sweet. You'll have a dish full of bold flavors in just 15 minutes. Cashew chicken stir-fry is another favorite. Stir-fry chicken in a hot pan with garlic and ginger, then add in some chopped onions, bell peppers, and snow peas. Toss in a handful of roasted cashews and pour over a sauce made with soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and a little rice vinegar. This dish is so crunchy, savory, and absolutely delicious. Now let's go for a veggie stir-fry with noodles. Start by cooking your favorite noodles. While they're cooking, stir-fry a mix of veggies like carrots, cabbage, and bok choy. Add in the cooked noodles and toss with soy sauce, sesame oil, and a little chili paste for spice. This one's a perfect meal for when you want a hearty vegetarian option. So there you have it,